Okay, I have a fun effect for my simple card magic playlist. Now for this, you can actually work with a borrowed deck, okay? So there's no setup whatsoever for this effect, okay? Now I'm going to assume I have two spectators here, spectator A and spectator B, and we're going to have each of them randomly choose a card, okay? Now maybe to make it easier on us, I'll go ahead and assume that spectator A over here on the left chooses the Queen of Hearts, and spectator B on the right chooses the Ace of Spades. Okay, just make it a little easier for us to keep track of things. Okay, now from here, what we're going to do is just deal out two piles of 7 cards. Okay, so we'll go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And these are truly random cards from the deck, okay? And the deck truly is in no particular arrangement. Now, of course, these would be face down, right? So they'd be like this. So go ahead and have spectator A set their card on top of either pile. It's a free choice, so maybe they'll put it right here. And then have spectator B set their card on top of the other pile. And then have spectator A randomly stack these, maybe right on left. Okay, and then from there, as the performer, you can perform a shadowy shuffle if you know how to do this. I can add a link in the description below. It's a very useful shuffle, actually. And then go ahead and have, let's say, spectator B just randomly cut the cards. Okay, just like that. Very good. And now what I'm going to do is deal out half the cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And that's half the cards, since we have a total of 16 cards now. And then have spectator B randomly flip over either pile. It's a free choice. You want this one over here? Okay. And then spectator A, can you randomly stack these? You want right on left. Okay. And then we'll follow that up with another shadowy shuffle. Okay, just like this. And then maybe we'll have spectator B, I think it's your turn, perform a final cut. So maybe they'll cut it right there. Okay, very good. And now we're going to deal out the cards into an 8-hour clock. Okay, so I'm going to try to fit it and not go off of camera view, which, whoop, barely. Sometimes can be hard to do on this tiny little pad here. Okay, so that's 8. Okay, so then we just deal down again. So 8 pairs on the table. Okay, and now what I would do is turn to the spectators and explain to them that I will not be finding their cards, because their cards are going to be finding each other. Okay, wow, how does that work? Well, what we do is we just turn to the spectators and ask them, do either one of you, or both of you possibly, do either one of you see your card? You know, is it visible at this point? Okay. And it looks like spectator B over here would say, I see my card. And then you can just say, well, don't tell me where it is. But so you see your card here? What about spectator A? Do you see your card facing up here? And they're going to say no, okay? And then you just point out that you as a performer have no idea what either card is. Now that will be true when you go to perform this, right? We both saw the cards in this tutorial, but in actuality, you wouldn't even know what their cards are, okay? And then you can just drive home once again that even though I have no idea what your cards are, nor can I find them, your cards are going to find each other. So for the first time, I believe spectator B claimed they saw their card face up somewhere here. Can you confirm whether or not your cards found each other? So if spectator B doesn't pick up on what they need to do, just say, okay, where is your card? And let's see if it found spectator A's card. Spectator B will say, my card's right there. And then turn to spectator A and say, can you flip over the card that is paired with spectator B's card? And spectator A would come over here, flip it over and go, what in the world is going on here? How is that even possible? Okay, well, if you do everything that I've done here, this will work perfectly. Since this is for my simple card magic playlist, I'm not going to go through all of the mathematics of this one. But if you actually just do what I showed you here, this is guaranteed to work for you every single time. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.